Hello all, my name is Fawad and I would like to talk about our quest to defeat earthquakes. Have you ever thought what causes the ground beneath your feet to shake so violently during an earthquake? Well, the answer comes from a very interesting scientific theory called plate tectonics. It says that the Earth's crust is not made of one continuous solid surface. It's made of different segments like a jigsaw puzzle. And these plates are moving with different rates. And the reason why these plates are moving is that they are being carried along the currents on a slowly flowing river of molten rocks underneath Earth's crust. Now, wherever on Earth's surface any of these two plates meet, they interact. Sometimes they try to push each other, sometimes one tries to sink down the other, and sometimes they try to pull apart. When the strain energy stored along the plate boundary crosses a certain threshold value, it releases in the form of seismic waves, which can travel as far as 1000 kilometers and which we can feel as earthquakes. It has been estimated that more than 2.5 million people have lost their lives due to earthquakes in last 100 years. Have you ever thought what causes a building to collapse during a ground shaking? Inappropriate structural design, poor construction practices, or use of substandard material? Well, all of these are the reasons for this huge loss in varying degrees. Engineers like me are having hard times in convincing building owners and public at large that they are at risk, that they can improve their safety with little understanding and awareness without additional cost. Earthquake-resistant design is so intuitive that engineers can come up with efficient ways to dissipate seismic energy. Our primary task is to create sophisticated computer models and subject them to past earthquakes and check what damage they are going to sustain or experience during those events. And believe me, an earthquake-resistant building can be as beautiful and elegant as any other architectural imagination. I would like to end on a rather technical note. A building can only be as strong as its weakest corner. So at the end, it's not the most sturdiest building which will survive an earthquake, or it's not the most costly building which will survive an earthquake. In fact, it's the most smart one. Thank you.